Alright, hey guys, so just wanted to give another MR2 update for the SW20. Just doing some aesthetic stuff and niceties and interior work. I added some FRS seats. I had to get some aftermarket brackets to put those in. Wasn't too bad of an install, but yeah, it's just way more comfy for me, and I think it looks much better. I actually came from a old Toyota 86 to the SW20, so I'm familiar with the seats and I just like them better. And I added an Omamori and a little JDM mirror. I mean, I think that's pretty typical. Also, the extra view helps, the extra view angle. And then I added a Greddy shift knob and a Halo shifter boot. So it just gives a nice modern, clean look to the car. I have actually had these parts for about 2 years, but I told myself I'd only put them in if everything was mechanically sound. Another thing that's not in this vid, though, is the transmission it's been fully rebuilt. I got it from the shop like last month. Well, yeah, everything's been reworked. The clutch, transmission, the gearbox. So, yeah, that's it.